Hi, I'm Manuela from DTF Transfer now, and today I am going to show you the differences between a homemade iron, a professional iron for DTF Transfer, and a Cricut iron. You want your transfers to look amazing? And last, washed after washed. Today we are going to compare three very common tools. One of them is the professional iron for DTF. In this case, this iron is manual. The second is the typical homemade iron that almost everyone has at hand in their home. And the third one is this iron called Cricut. I will show you then which one is most suitable according to your budget, your goals, and your business. Professional iron is the one used by the majority of DTF workshops because it has a temperature uniform over the entire surface. In addition to this, allows ironing in large areas, and you don't need to guess temperature or move the iron constantly. With this, you will achieve durable finishes, no raised corners, and with colors that shine brighter. And if you plan sell t-shirts or mass production, the truth, this is the best investment. And an extra tip. Many of them include digital timer and digital control, which gives you consistency in every garment. The home iron is the most economical but the least recommended. Pressure is not even, depends on your strength. And the temperature rises and falls. That is, it is not constant at all. In addition, the pressing area is small and forces it to move it, generating errors. The result may be good apparently, but the transfers take off fast and the colors do not set well and they do not have such professional finishes. Cricut is an intermediate step because it has digital temperature control, is easy to use and safer than a homemade iron. In addition to this, it is compact and portable, but does not have automatic pressure. So it depends on how much you squeeze yourself. The pressing area is limited. What is not ideal for large designs or t-shirts, oversize with Cricut, you can start a small business. Or customize clothing for your family and friends. But if you grow in orders sooner or later, you will need a professional iron, then a comparative table. In a nutshell, the professional iron is equal to a business investment and maximum quality. At Cricut, is just as good a choice to start small. And homemade iron is the same as an option for personal testing or use only. If you want impressive results to your customers. And last, washing after washing the professional iron will always be the best investment. Leave me in the comments, which iron do you work with? And what results have you had? Subscribe and activate the bell for more tips on how to DTF transfer and professional printing.